Okay, so some of you guys have asked me how these snow skis mount to the airplane. So I thought I'd do a quick video and show you. In this case, I have a set of fiberglass landing gear. And so I just drilled a couple holes through the fiberglass to put cable ties. And that's for this piano wire spring. And that's so that the skis can move, but still stay fairly parallel to the wings, so that the doesn't create a lot of drag. So here you can see the spring action from that piece of piano wire, and here's a close-up of how it's attached. It's just two cable ties through a couple of holes drilled in the fiberglass, and just a single screw for the axle so it can pivot on there. And so anyway, there you go. That's how they're mounted. And so I have another smaller plane that doesn't use the spring mounting, and I can show you how those are mounted also. Okay, so here's the control line airplane. I built a set of landing gear for this and have the wheels on it, but I'll show you how the skis then get mounted to this plane. Okay, so these wheels are mounted to the landing gear. Just a 440 screw, and then there's two nuts, one that holds it to the gear, and then one that spaces it so that the tire can spin. So for the ski though, on this small plane, I'm just going to mount it solid so that it can't rotate. So I just insert the 440 screw through the ski, put that into the landing gear, and then put a nut on the back side. So you can use blue Loctite if you're worried about the nut coming off or coming loose. And with blue Loctite you can still get the nut off if you want to go back to wheels. So that's how one ski attaches, and then they're mounted solid, so they don't rotate. Do the other one quick here too to show you. Okay, so same thing here. We just insert the 440 screw through the ski. Stick that through the landing gear and install the nut. Take that. Tighten it like that, and there we go. So here's a pair of skis mounted to a control line airplane, and So they're just attached with 440 bolts. And so guys, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thanks.